What's going on, y'all? We are on the set of Ford Truck Month, year 2, and I'm fired up. Good morning. How y'all doing? How you been?
Yeah, action.
15, 20 minutes.
That is nice.
Here we go. When I hear the words "can't sit still," I think of me. I would say it's one of my qualities that I feel like has been one of the things that's got me where I'm at. What's this baby's name? Hey, buddy. When it comes to songwriting and getting creative and things like that, it's always important for me to try to be one step ahead. Yeah, this job will keep you moving. My friends would describe me as a suitcase with legs. I never really thought that you could be in like 10 different places at once, but somehow we make it happen.